Man, this damage has been incredible with this system. This is a typical setup where you get a cold front sliding through, a warm front lifting through. This is what you call the warm sector, and it typically is the most unstable, and we've seen this play out. Unfortunately, still tracking a tornado that's been confirmed on the ground right now, moving out of Alabama. So still a very turbulent situation, just not as active as it was earlier in the form of tornadoes, but still lots of electricity out there. And these showers are getting closer and closer to home, so we do expect our rain chances to go up as we head through the overnight hours. Could hear a couple of rumbles of thunder, but not going to be as unstable closer to home, so not expecting any severe weather. I think some of those showers will start moving into western Maryland around 2 a.m., trickling into the city of Baltimore through 4 or 5 a.m. Looks like the bulk of this moisture starts to exit, and then we're left with cloud cover. There could be some stray sprinkles out there, but the bulk of the moisture is going to occur while folks are sleeping, and then we're looking at clearing skies, lots of sunshine, and winds out of the south that's going to allow the temperatures to climb. We're going to be very unseasonably warm. But let's talk about the wind, because that's going to be the element that we're going to have to deal with tomorrow. We're talking 40 to 50 miles per hour wind gusts. That's actually tropical storm force wind gusts. And I know that that just sounds like a nuisance, but if you're driving on the roads trying to rush to get to work and the winds are whipping and you're in a van or a big truck or a Jeep, that means that you're going to be a little wobbly on the roadway. So you want to make sure that you prepare for that and drive with caution. This is from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So mainly for the lunch and evening commutes, we're concerned about that. These winds are going to be intense throughout the day. So these are just wind gusts. They're just for a couple of seconds, but the winds are going to be sustained over 20 miles per hour for a large chunk of the day. So we want you to be prepared for it. Now, we're the benefactors of that. Warm numbers into the upper 70s through the afternoon. And I actually think our daytime high will crest near 80 with plenty of sunshine. That's going to trickle into Saturday, but there is a cold front sliding in, so it will not be as warm. We're going to be about 10 degrees cooler, getting to the mid 60s around lunchtime. That's still great for brunch outdoors. Upper 60s as we get close to the 5 o'clock hour. That's coming down from that high of about 72 degrees with some numbers that are going to be quite comfortable as we head into your Saturday evening. But Sunday looks a little bit different. Tracking another front, another setup where there is a warm front and a cold front, so likely there's going to be the potential for some severe weather to our south and west. Showers very, very light along the warm front at the 7 o'clock hour, but as that cold front slides in, that's where we have the potential to pick up some of those heavier showers, isolated thunderstorm, but the severe weather risk is low for us, and we're clearing out on the backside of that with winds shifting out of the north, which we'll check on that on Monday. Here's those rain totals updated. Still looking at roughly a half inch to an inch across most of the state, so that could be a considerable amount considering we just picked up 1 to 2 inches a few days ago. And here's what happens when that cold front shifts the winds on Monday. Temperatures only get into the upper 50s. That's going to be one of the cooler days in the forecast. We rebound into the 60s, and then we're tracking the return of rain chances for your Wednesday and back on Thursday.